Hi, so 140, 160, 200 refresh rate suddenly gone after installing the Intel graphics driver. And now you are stuck at 60 or 120 Hz refresh rate for your additional display or the same display. It can vary accordingly. What I did is, in my case, I have installed the latest driver. I was getting the driver update. Let me show you where I was getting it. So if you see the Intel driver and support assistant, I open it. Let me on the same. See, here I was getting these two updates, and when I install it and reboot my system. I was like, I was happy that I was having the latest version of my graphics, but suddenly a Windows update comes in. These two update comes in, and when I install it, my graphics driver switched back to the 30th version. So this was the latest version, which was 32.x, and this was the older version, 30.x. Then what I did is I go to the Intel website and manually install both graphics driver. I install them, and then again I get these two updates, these two Windows update, and my graphics driver switched back to the 30th version. So this was the problem which is occurring again and again. So how I resolve it? You don't need to install any software, you don't need to reinstall anything, nothing complicated. You have to just follow these steps. So first you have to click on the start and open the device manager. I go to the device manager. Then you have to go to the display adapter, open the first one, and go to the driver. Here you will see the rollback driver option enabled. In my case, I have already switched, like I have already rolled back my driver to the updated version. That's why it is showing disabled. But in your case, if you install the latest version, 32 version, and then window update, then using the window update you have installed these two versions, and your like Intel graphics driver switch back to the 30th version, then you will definitely having the this option rollback driver enabled. So what you do need to do, you have to just click on this rollback driver and just click on yes. Then okay, boom, it is now rollback to the 32 version. As you can see, in my case, you have to follow the same steps for these two, both, like both display adapter. I did the same for both adapter. I roll back the same, and then I was getting like latest update for these two. And after rolling back to the same, I go to the Windows update. I go to the Windows update. Let me go to settings. Here, Windows update, and when I click for check for updates, like I will like no longer getting the same update again and again. I already checked the same, but showing you for the reference. Let's wait. Yeah, here you can see there is no update showing over there. That's all. If this has saved your time, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next ones. Thank you.